was almost midnight when Emily boarded the last bus home. The streets were empty, the air cold. She took a seat by the window and pulled her jacket tighter. Only 3 other passengers sat scattered across the bus. And then he stepped in, a tall man in a dark coat, his face hidden by a hood. He looked straight at her and smiled. Emily quickly looked away. The man walked slowly down the aisle, ignoring empty seats, and sat right behind her. The bus rumbled through the dark streets. She could hear his breathing, steady, close. Then, a whisper, "You shouldn't be here." Amelia's heart pounded. She turned, but the man was staring out the window, as if he had said nothing. The driver didn't seem to notice anything unusual. Her phone had no signals. The man leaned forward again, his voice low. "If you want to live, get off at the next stop." Emily froze. Was he threatening her or warning her? She glanced toward the driver, but the driver's eyes looked strange, unblinking in the mirror.